Hey guys, I'm gonna give you a quick overview of how exactly ClickAgent AI works. The thing is, it works in three simple steps. Step number one, you select an AI avatar. You go inside the rooms option and you go inside the AI avatar and you can select the avatar that you like. We have tons of AI avatars here. You can pick any avatar that you like. So like you can explore. There are doctors, there are fitness experts, then there are professional experts, financial experts, and there are so many avatars that we haven't listed here. As of now, for the demo purpose, I'm selecting, let's say, this person with the background. But again, like you can even select the avatars without background and then in different outfits. And more importantly, you can add the video background. You can change the video background. You can select any of the video backgrounds directly from here, or you can upload your own video background. And then you can select the quality of the video and other few things. So that's a simple way to select your avatar. As of now, I'm keeping like this person, and it's already coming with a background, and I'm gonna save this avatar. So my avatar is saved. Now what I have to do is I go inside the room settings and I can provide all the information about my product that I want to promote, so that all the information is given to the avatar beforehand. And when the user, the visitor, comes to your page or wherever you have set up this AI avatar, it is going to do all the talking for us. It is going to explain them the whole product. So for example, I want to promote this product that's called WarriorPlus AI. It's a viral quiz videos builder that uses the AI to generate these quiz videos. They are perfect for YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and more. So this is my AI app that I want to promote. So what I did, I created a small uh, prompt where I'm saying like, your name is Rika. You are the AI agent selling my latest powered quiz videos maker app that's called Wild Quiz AI. And please try your best to respond with short answers and only answer the last question, whichever last question they asked. And if people ask how it works, you tell them all these three steps. And here's the sales page link. And if people ask about the discount, exclusive discount coupon is this, so and so. So I have kept like all the information, but again, like you can provide more and more information so that your avatar is aware of the product that you are promoting. It can be your product or an affiliate product or whichever product that you want to promote. Like you have a high ticket program, you have a product from ClickBank, WarriorPlus, JVZoo, you can promote any product you want. So I'm simply copying this content over here and I'm gonna paste it here. So you can provide all the information about the product, the affiliate product, or your own product, your coaching program, your training program, or whatever you are selling. You provide all that information here. And then there's an option like where your person should go, your visitor should go after they exit the meeting room. So you provide them with your link. It can be your affiliate link or your website link. So as of now, I'm just keeping this link and I'm going to add it here, and that's it. So that's how the whole setup is done. Now all I have to do is save this AI avatar room. And before we do that, there are a couple of important things. Like you can check these boxes, like keep the context of the conversation, and the response will be slower, but again, like it is more defined response. And show the subtitles if you want the avatar to display the subtitles. As of now, I'm just keeping it closed. And enable the recording, then it will record the whole conversation that is going to happen between the visitor and the AI avatar. So it's that simple, guys. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to save this room, and that's it. Our AI avatar room is created. You can directly send this link to your customers, your visitors, or you can even add this particular AI avatar to your existing websites by copying the embed code. So if you go here and if you check out uh, the rooms that we have just created, this room, we can copy the embed code from here and paste it on your website or WordPress site, your ClickBank site, or whichever format of site or pages you have. You can add that embed code on your site and the avatar is going to appear over there. Okay, now let's test this AI avatar room that we have created. Simply click this link and that our AI room is opened. I have added my name and I'm starting the AI avatar. It is going to take a couple of seconds to load the AI avatar room. And once it is done, we have our AI avatar right here in front of us. Now let's start the conversation. So we can start the conversation with the chat. we can directly speak to the this avatar. We can ask the questions if you just want to chat with them with the text. And if you want to ask the question directly, you can use the start speech recognition option. So it's like you can use any of the options that you want. Then there is an option to change the language or voice attitude. You can do that. You can record this room and then you can exit the room. And you can even exit the room from here as a user, as a visitor. So let's start the conversation about the WarriorQuiz AI, and let's see how it responds. Okay. Hi, can you tell me about WarriorQuiz AI?
Viral Quiz AI is an AI-powered quiz video maker app that helps create hundreds of viral and engaging quiz videos with just a few simple steps. You can enter a keyword, select a template, customize it, and publish it to various platforms to drive traffic and increase engagement. If you are interested in purchasing Viral Quiz AI, you can check out the sales page here.
Okay, so I interrupted the person, but the thing is, let me. Sorry, my microphone was on, but let's what we.
Thank you for providing the
One
guidance.
second. Okay, so
Got it. Let me know if you have any other questions.
okay, can you tell me how does it work?
Creating hundreds of viral, addictive quiz videos that generates massive traffic commissions is as easy as 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Enter a keyword and our AI will generate hundreds of viral quiz ideas using our 3E formula: engage, excite, explode. Step number 2. Select from our library of professional, high-quality video quiz templates, customize everything from color, font, background, video clips, more. Step number 3. Publish one or all your videos directly to YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or anywhere and watch the traffic, followers, and sales pour in 24/7. Here's the sales page link.
Okay, so now what happened? It is explaining me the steps that we need to follow inside WarriorQuiz AI. How does it work? And it is also showing me what exactly is a WarriorQuiz AI. It has helped me with all that information. And now I can ask like more information. It is already recommending me the sales page link. I can follow this link to make the purchase. And it is also saying like if you have any further questions, feel free to ask. So it's a very engaging AI selling room that is going to help you sell anything. You can sell your affiliate products, you can sell anything that you want, and it's very amazing. So I'm going to ask one more question and then let's see how it responds. Do you have any discount on WarriorQuiz AI?
Exclusive discount coupon, quiz 4, get flat $4 off.
Thank you so much.
Great. Thank you for the information. If you have any other questions or need assistance, feel free to ask.
That's all for today. Thank you so much.
Got it. Thank you for the instructions.
Okay. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna exit the room, and it should, on the exit, it should also take me to the sales page. That's how we did the setup. So I'm exiting the room and let's see how it works. And see, once I exited the room, it took me to the sales page link that I have added inside the room settings of this particular room. See, this is the link we added and it automatically took me to that sales page link. That's it. So ClickAgent AI is going to create these AI-powered selling rooms for you, and it does it very quickly, and anyone can do it, and you can sell anything you want. So I hope you like this demo video, and if you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out to our support. And thanks for watching this video. Take care. Bye-bye.